A spin mop makes floor cleaning easy and hands-free with its built-in wringing system and microfiber head for a deep clean. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best spin mops that combine convenience and efficiency for every type of floor. Whether you need quick touch-ups or a thorough clean, there's a perfect option here for you. Check the links in the description to learn more. Let's get started! Number 5. Starting off our list is the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop is a standout choice for anyone seeking an efficient and easy-to-use cleaning tool. Its innovative wringing system allows you to control the moisture level of the mop head, making it ideal for various floor types without leaving excess water behind. Equipped with a durable microfiber mop head, this spin mop effectively picks up dirt, dust, and hair, ensuring a thorough clean. The microfiber material is also machine washable, providing long-lasting use and excellent value. The bucket's hands-free wringing system dries the mop with ease, reducing mess and strain. A built-in splash guard keeps water contained for cleaner, more hygienic mopping. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop features an adjustable handle for added comfort and easy access to hard-to-reach spots, making floor cleaning simple and hassle-free. Number 4. Next up, we have the True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop. The True and Tidy True Clean Spin Mop is a versatile cleaning system designed to keep floors spotless with ease. It features a dual-tank bucket that separates clean and dirty water, ensuring you always mop with fresh water for a more hygienic clean. This spin mop comes with a built-in mop cleaning brush that helps remove dirt from the mop head during use, maintaining its cleaning efficiency. The square mop head swivels 360 degrees, making it easy to reach corners and clean around furniture smoothly. The stainless steel handle extends up to 47 inches for comfortable use and less back strain. A refill inlet and drain plug on the bucket make water changes quick and easy. Lightweight and compact, this spin mop is easy to store and carry. Its reusable, machine-washable microfiber pads make it an eco-friendly and budget-friendly cleaning solution. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is MICHAO Spin Mop. The MICHAO Spin Mop offers a powerful and efficient cleaning experience with its advanced wringing system, which removes excess water quickly and easily. This unique mechanism makes mopping faster and helps floors dry sooner without the hassle of traditional foot pedals. Built with durable stainless steel and polypropylene materials, this mop is designed for long-lasting use. Its telescoping handle extends up to 62 inches, accommodating users of different heights and reducing strain on your back during cleaning sessions. The mop bucket features 4 smooth rolling wheels, a pull handle, and a carry handle, making it easy to move around your home. It also includes a floor brush to tackle stubborn dirt and grime effectively. With 6 ultra-absorbent microfiber mop heads included, the MICHAO Spin Mop is suitable for a variety of floor surfaces like hardwood, tile, laminate, and glass. These washable mop pads ensure thorough cleaning while being eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 2. At the runner-up spot, we have the SIMPLI-MAGIC 79349 Spin Mop Cleaning System. The SIMPLI-MAGIC 79349 Spin Mop Cleaning System offers a practical and efficient solution for maintaining clean floors. Designed for use on various hard surfaces, including laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, and concrete, this mop system ensures versatility in cleaning different areas of your home. Equipped with a durable bucket and an extendable pole, the system simplifies the mopping process. The included microfiber mop heads are reusable and washable, promoting an eco-friendly approach to cleaning. Their design allows for effective dirt pickup and absorption, contributing to a thorough cleaning experience. The spin mop's design facilitates easy wringing, reducing the effort needed to remove excess water from the mop head. This feature not only enhances cleaning efficiency, but also minimizes the strain on your hands and wrists during use. The SIMPLI-MAGIC 79349 Spin Mop Cleaning System offers a practical blend of functionality and convenience, making it a dependable choice for keeping floors clean and tidy. Number 1, and finally, our top pick is the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. The O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System revolutionizes floor cleaning with its innovative 2-tank design. This system ensures that clean and dirty water are separated, allowing you to mop with fresh water every time. The dual tank bucket features a foot-activated pedal for hands-free wringing, giving you control over the moisture level of the mop head and reducing the mess associated with traditional mopping methods. Equipped with a microfiber mop head, the RinseClean system effectively removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. This feature enhances hygiene and provides a more eco-friendly cleaning solution. The mop head's triangular shape allows for easy maneuverability, making it ideal for cleaning corners and edges that are often difficult to reach. The system is designed to be safe for all hard floor surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for various flooring types, ensuring thorough cleaning without causing damage. Thanks for watching! If you're looking to keep your floor spotless with minimal effort, these best spin mops are top-rated for performance and convenience. For detailed reviews and the latest prices, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more cleaning tips and product reviews. Have questions or suggestions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.